Hey, good afternoon. It is science time. So we are going to be learning this week in science about physical properties of matter. Okay. Um, Today we're going to be focusing on the three states of matter, um, which are solids, liquids, and gases. Okay. And matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. All right. So if you don't know what mass is, it's actually the amount of matter in something. Okay. So basically, anything that exists that you can see with your eyes on this planet Earth is matter. Okay. Like like our bodies are matter. All right. This marker is matter. Um, this cup is matter. Our phones, our computers, um, the desk that my laptop is on. Okay, it's all matter. It has mass and it takes up space. Um, and then going back to mass, when I say it's the amount of matter in something, so like this marker, okay, um, is made up of a different amount of matter than this paper, okay. This marker is thicker, okay. It there's more to it, okay. Well, this paper is very thin, okay. So there's going to be more matter in this marker. um, all right, so also if you can think about like a bowling ball, okay, versus a like a beach ball that you would blow up, that bowling ball is going to have more mass, because it's made up of more matter, okay. So like it's more tightly compacted, um, and it's just solid all the way through, whereas a beach ball is going to be hollow in the middle, right? It just has air. So again, matter, anything that has mass and takes up space, and then the mass is how much matter something is made of. Okay, got it? So mass and matter. Um, so again, this week, or I'm sorry, today, we're going to be focusing on the three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, so like with solids, those are things that are going to have a specific shape. Um, they in a size, okay? Like this cup, it's got a shape and a size. Um, this little chapstick thing, it's got a shape and a size, right? Those are solids. Solids don't take the shape of a container that it's in. Like I could take this cup, right, and put it inside of a bigger cup, um, but it's not going to change the shape of this actual cup. If that makes sense, okay? Like I could take this mechanical pencil and put it in a container, um, and it's not going to change the shape of the actual pencil, okay. So they have a definite shape and size. That means it doesn't change. um, um, and Also, solids can sometimes be things we don't think of as solids because of their size, but things like flour, sugar, salt, like Kool-Aid powder, okay, those are things that are still going to be solids, okay, even like powdered sugar, all right, because they're not a liquid and a gas, all right, it's still a solid. Um, so the other thing, liquids, okay, those do take the shape of their containers. Like in my cup is solid, but inside of it, I have water, okay. Um, So the water is taking the shape of this container, okay? Like we could run water in a bathtub. It's going to take the shape of that bathtub. Water in a swimming pool. It's taking the shape of that pool, right? Um, so water or the liquid also has the ability to flow. And for gases, they are going to expand to take the shape of their container. All right, like if you consider a balloon, if we blow into a balloon, we're blowing in carbon dioxide um, to the balloon, which is a gas. Okay, we can also have like go to the store and have balloons filled with helium, like the ones that kind of float or whatever for people's birthday parties. Um, so, uh, like those types of gases take the shape of their containers. Um, so they don't really have like a fixed shape like a solid does. And then gases are also generally things like we can't really see. Um, and they tend to be more invisible. Now, if we think about like an ice cube, all right, that can be in all three forms. Um, you have the solid, all right, which is the frozen ice cube. If it starts to melt, that becomes a liquid. And then if you take that liquid and boil it, it would then turn into water vapor, which is a gas. Okay, so solids, liquids, and gases. All right, three states of matter. So today for your assignment, let me share my screen with you so I can show you what you're going to do. Give me a second. Okay, share screen. Okay, here is your assignment. It says three states of matter poster. Use the form to make a poster about the three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Label each picture showing what state of matter it is. Okay, so you're going to have pictures of each of the three states of matter. Your solid, okay, can be your favorite food, a toy, a car, okay. Liquid, and want that to be your favorite drink. And then for the gas, I said find a balloon with your favorite color on it, okay. So for the poster document, remember it looks like this for the drawing, and I want to just kind of show you, remember there's like tools right here. If you want to try to do like your own drawing or something, there's like some tools here for that. There's a text box so you can label. Okay, so if I chose text box and my solid are right here, I can just label it solid. Okay. Within here is what you're probably going to be more likely to do since you're including certain like specific things. So if you click on search the web, like over here on the right, will pop up like a Google Images search. So like if I were working on my gas picture, and remember it needs to be a balloon, that's my favorite color. So one of my favorite colors is purple, so I could type in purple balloon and hit enter, and that's going to bring up a bunch of different pictures of purple balloons. Let's see. So you can kind of like scroll through. Whoa, it's going too fast. You can scroll through and pick your favorite one. let's see. I'm going to go with this one. And so this is unselected, and then insert, and there it is. Okay, so I can move it around with my arrow on the page where I want it. And now, okay, I can go to the text box, okay, and I can put, this would be for my gas, all right, and then we can kind of move that around, yeah, just so that it's labeled, okay, so I have gas next to it, so that's for my gas. And then if you need to change like the size of the image, like if it's huge on the page, you can kind of, you know, manipulate the picture, okay, and then if you can move your text over also, okay. So that's how you do that. Again, label solid, liquid, and gas. And just let me know if you have any questions, but that should be pretty simple. So yeah, hope you guys have fun looking up the pictures. I can't wait to see what you come up with for your poster. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, gas. Okay. All right. Enjoy, and I will see you next time for science.